Almost 4 out of 5 English learners still struggle to speak even after years of study. We call that the confidence gap, the gap between knowing English and being able to speak it. At Hey Lady, you have the opportunity to close this gap in weeks, not years. So what is Hey Lady and how does it work? Hey Lady is not an app, it's not a course, and it's definitely not just a classroom. It's an online community, a real one, with real people from over 120 different countries. Women who meet online every single day to do one thing: practice speaking English together. Inside, you'll find live conversations happening in every time zone, every day. Live sessions with our English coaches where you can ask questions and get real support and feedback. And inside this community, you'll also find women who genuinely understand where you are struggling, because they've been there too. Speaking English regularly is the fastest way to build your confidence. Some people try using apps or practicing out loud in front of the mirror, but these situations don't match what happens in real life. That's why Hey Lady isn't about studying alone. It's about using your English in real conversations with real people. Supportive people who help you feel safe enough to make mistakes and to learn from them, so that your fear starts to fade away and your confidence starts to grow. Confidence creates connection, and connection creates new opportunities, new jobs, new relationships, new adventures, and new friendships that you weren't expecting. Hey Lady members meet online, but they love to meet in person too, in their own towns or even when traveling to other cities around the world. Because when you find your voice, you find your people. My name is Emma and I am the founder of Hey Lady. I created this space so that women of every culture would have a safe and supportive space online to find their English voice and the confidence to use it. What happens inside this community shapes what happens outside. Confident women show up differently. They speak up, they participate, they contribute to conversations that really matter. This isn't just a place to learn English, it's a place to become the very best version of who you are in English. If you still struggle to speak English confidently, joining Hey Lady is the right decision. We have a 7-day trial so you can try it first for free and then decide if you'd like to continue. I can't wait to meet you inside.